Okay,
Okay. Now we're recording. Sorry.
Yeah.
Just took a big bite of food. Sorry. My apologies. So here we go. You have 4 and 24. So what can you pull out between those two?
6 and something, 6 and 4.
No. What factor do 4 and 24 share?
Factor 4 and 24. 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that becomes -6,
Huh?
and that we'll just put a 1 here.
Yeah.
Now look at A9 and A3.
Um.
So which one's smaller?
A3.
Right. So you take out the A3, so that becomes A6,
Uh-huh.
and there are no more A's left. They're just all gone.
Yeah.
So if it helps, do that. You know,
For sure. Okay. Oh, yep.
and that's gone. And that became 6, right?
Uh-huh.
Now B2 and B3, which one's smaller?
B2.
So B2 comes out. That goes away. And that comes B1.
Yeah.
And then you have a Y5, so be it. And that's it. It's
Yeah.
that simple, right? It's very clean.
Uh-huh.
4A3B squared, A6Y5 minus 6B. And so you have this video to watch again. So
Uh-huh.
if you forget after our call, like, oh yeah, I remember Gus saw what was common between 4 and 24. Then when he compared the letters, he took the smallest one out
Uh-huh.
and then reduced the bigger one, right?
Yeah.
So let's try it again. So this is very, very similar. Okay, 26 and 13. What factor both 26 and 13 share?
2. Oh, no. None. It's none.
No, they share something.
2. Well,
You can't divide 13 by 2.
you can't divide 13 by anything.
Right, exactly. Just one in itself.
Yeah, 1, yeah. So
26 can be divided by what? 1 and 26, and what else?
2 and 13.
There you go. What's the greatest common factor? 13,
Yeah.
right? So we do that, that becomes 2.
Uh-huh.
That's nothing.
Yeah.
Now, U3 and U8, which one's smaller?
U3, U3, UA, U3, UA.
U3, right?
Yeah.
So that goes away, and
Yeah.
that's 5.
Huh?
Now tell me about the V's.
Well,
How's that going to go down?
the V's.
Yeah,
2.
B3 and B7.
Yeah. You combine them.
Just do the same exact thing we did with all the other letters.
So you should combine. Oh,
No, we're not combining anything.
never mind.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's back up. U3 and U8.
Yeah.
I chose which one's smaller, which is U3, right?
Yeah.
So I crossed this off, and that became U5.
Uh-huh.
Now B3, B7.
B3, B7.
Yeah, so let's do the same thing.
3, B7.
So I'm not going to tell you what to do. You tell me what to do.
1, it's 1. The factor's 1.
Okay, let's back up. I don't think you're paying attention. You're not paying attention, dude. Right. They pull the 4 out.
Yeah.
We have this.
Uh-huh.
Between A9 and A3, which one is smaller? A3, right?
A3, yeah.
And that became A6, and that went away.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Do the same exact thing with the V's. You have B3 and V8, V7. Tell me what to do.
So you would pull
What do you pull out?
the V.
V what?
3.
Good. So that goes away. And what does this become now? V what?
V7. Well, because it's still 7. You pull out the 3, so V4.
Okay, good. So that's all, right? But remember, we also took out the U3.
Yeah.
We took it out 13, so that became 2
Uh-huh.
and 1. That went away.
Yeah.
That became U5 and V4. And then you have a Y2. There's no other Y, so just Y2. That's it.
Yeah.
So it's 13, U3, V3.
Yeah.
2y squared plus u5 v4.
Yeah.
Right?
No?
Okay. Let's do it again.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. So a minus in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Let's focus on the numbers 3 and 3.
Yeah.
What's the greatest common factor of 3 and 3?
3.
Good. You pull it out.
Yeah.
So 1 and 1.
Uh-huh.
Now x3 and x3. So they're both identical.
Yeah.
So you take it out and they're gone. And these are gone.
Yeah.
I'll put 1 times 1. And then you have a v4 for the second one.
Yeah.
And that's that.
Uh-huh.
That's that. There you go.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, no, this test was very hard. This is like the practice test, but it was like super hard. Like a lot of people like had struggles with it.
Yep.
He made it like harder on purpose. So
Let's do 4. Okay, 4.
yeah.
What's common between them?
Or
Oh, sorry, we're not done with
it's 25, first of
wait,
all.
hold on. I kind of goofed.
Mm-hmm.
Wait 1 sec.
Yeah.
I made a slight mistake with we weren't done with number 3.
Yeah.
That's also a difference of 2 squares.
Uh-huh.
So you break apart like this,
Yeah.
and you continue breaking it down.
Yeah.
And you have that.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Yeah.
So you can break out 4 and x squared.
Yeah.
And that's x squared minus 25.
Yeah.
Because remember, I took 4 away.
Yeah, you
I
take
took away
4.
x squared. But then you have to remember the difference of 2 squares.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is reference this.
Yeah.
Hold on. Needs to be under my Algebra 2 honors folder.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have 2 terms,
Yeah.
or the common factors. Did I pull them out? I did.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a difference of 2 squares? A squared minus b squared. Are x squared and 25 perfect squares? They are. So
Yeah.
you break it down, and that's what we have to do. We got to break it down as x minus 5, x plus 5.
Mm-hmm.
Because it won't be complete otherwise. So you definitely have to know this flow chart
Yeah.
really well so that you take the right action.
Yeah, no. There's something on the next page, number 13. I had like super trouble with. Like I really didn't even understand it.
Okay. Which one?
Oh no, go down. 12. It's 12. It was 12. It was
Okay.
12.
So
Yeah. Hmm.
this is where the flow chart's going to be your friend.
Yeah.
So I'm going to look at the flow chart.
Mm-hmm.
Common factors.
Yeah.
There are some. It's not painfully obvious,
Yeah.
but they're all multiples of 3 because all the digits add up to a multiple of 3. Because 1 and 2 have to 3, 6 and a half to 15, 4 and 5 to 9. So that's what I'm going to do.
Mm-hmm.
Take it out. 4x squared plus 23x
Yeah.
plus 15. Okay, but we're not out of the woods yet.
Mm-hmm.
We
Yeah.
gotta do this. So then the next thing is, are the first and last terms perfect squares? Well, 15 is not a perfect square, so no. Is the leading coefficient 1? No.
Huh?
So I got to factor using the diamond and then grouping, or the box.
Yeah. Oh,
So I'm gonna do
okay.
the diamond.
Uh-huh.
That's 60
Mm.
and 23. Remember, that's how we did a diamond. What two numbers multiply 60 but add up to 23?
Uh, 15 and
Close, but not quite.
I don't know. And wait. 10 and 6. No.
Get further away. But that's good. I
The
like what you're
30 and
thinking.
negative. No, I don't know.
Don't give up too easily.
Uh,
So you remember you said 6 and 10, you said no.
yeah.
And then you have 4 and 15, you said no.
Not yet.
But we're getting warmer. So
Um.
keep dropping this number down.
Uh-huh.
So 6 and 10, no. 4 and 15, no. What about 3? Have you tried 3 in a number?
3 and 20.
There we go.
I'm so dumb. Mom, how much is left in the game?
28 seconds.
Oh.
Okay. So then we do a box,
Mm-hmm.
as we've done before.
Uh-huh.
So it's 4x squared
Yeah.
and 15.
Uh-huh.
And then we put 3x and 20x. Okay, look
Yeah.
at the first row. What can you take out of that first row?
5.
No. Five's not a factor of 4.
5x.
Look at the first
4,
row
4, 4, 4, 4. You can take off 4.
and
1. 2, 2, 2.
no, we already did the numbers. Now do the letters.
X.
X, right? Remember, take the one that's smaller.
Yeah.
X is smaller than x squared.
Mm-hmm.
Now 3x and 15, they don't have x's in common. Just gotta take a number out. What number can you take out in
5.
this
Oh,
second
no.
row?
5. Oh, 3, 3. You can take out 3.
Okay. Then look at the first column.
Mm-hmm.
What do we have in common in the first column?
X.
Good. Oh, sorry, I just had to clean my mouse. Good.
Mm-hmm.
How the second column?
Yeah.
What can you take out of the second column?
Oh, the second column. 5.
Good. So 4x plus 3,
4.
x plus 5.
Uh-huh.
And that's it. Oh, no, don't forget about the 3 on the outside. That was there all along. But yeah, that's it.
Holy. Kentucky's about to lose. That's pretty.
Who?
Kentucky.
Really? Wow. Huh. Then now let's look at 12.
14 seed Oakland. Huh?
That's pretty crazy. The seating's off.
Because it's March. It's pretty mad.
Right. Now take a look at 12. Let's go
Mhm.
to the flow chart. I want you to guide me. Okay, so I'll write the expression first.
Yeah.
25p squared plus 60p plus 36. Okay. So read for me the first question.
How many terms?
Okay, how many terms do we have?
3.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down this way. Okay, next, read the next question for me, please.
Are there any common factors?
Okay, so my numbers are 25, 60, and 36.
No.
No, right, because 25 is odd,
Yeah.
so you're not gonna have 2, and 25 is 5, but you don't have 5 taking out 36, so no. So I'll go down this way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, read for me the next question.
Are first and last terms perfect squares?
Okay, is 25 a perfect square?
Yeah.
Is 36 perfect square?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're good. We're on this something. So we're gonna go down this way. And it's going to say to factor it like this. What that means is that you're going to take the square root of 25 and take the square root of 36. What's the square root of 25?
5,
5p. What's square root of 36?
6.
And that's it. That's how you do it.
Oh, bad. There's
So this flow chart should help you. Just got to read the questions and just do what you're told.
yeah.
Okay, so it's not so bad.
I know that took me like 20 minutes on that question. Not gonna
What was
lie.
that, sorry?
It took me like 10 to 20 minutes.
Number 12 took you 10 to 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, but see how that took us very quick? We did it in 1 minute
Yeah.
using the flow chart. So let's try the flow chart again. Let's try, I'm going to jump around a little bit. Yeah, let's look at 5 and 6. We haven't done those yet. All right, so flow chart.
Uh-huh.
Come on, here we go. Okay, how many terms? Do I have 2, 3, or 4 terms? Let me write the expression first. Hold on. Y cubed minus 7y squared.
Yeah.
5y minus 35.
You're looking for, oh wait, yeah, 5, yeah.
Okay, so you look at the first question. What are you going to say?
Well, for the first question,
How many terms?
4.
Good. Then you're told to group the first two and group the last 2 terms. So actually, what you could do is this. Excuse me. You just make a box instead, because it seems like we're pretty comfortable doing that now. I mean, you are grouping in some way, I suppose. So y cubed negative 7y squared,
Hmm.
5y,
Yeah.
and negative 35.
Hmm.
Okay. Tell me, what can you take out of that first row? We have y cubed
Why?
negative 7y squared.
Why?
Okay, well, hold on. What's smaller, y cubed or y squared?
Y squared.
You take out y squared. Okay, look at the second row. What's common?
The left one. 5. -5.
Okay, we'll say 5, and then what are you gonna? So
Why?
then, what are you gonna put up here now? Y,
Why?
good.
Yeah, why?
And what are you gonna put up here? The last column. What's common?
5. Yeah, 5.
No,
Negative.
there's negative 7, negative 35.
-5.
5's not a factor of 7, dude.
Oh, it's 1.
Well, they share.
It's
Okay,
7. It's 7. It's 7.
okay, always. Okay, what you really need to do.
Yeah.
I don't want to spoon feed you, but I think what you need to do is you need to just write the factors. Right? So you write the factors and you realize, oh yeah, they have 7 in common, but it's negative 7.
Thinking multiples, so I'm like, yeah.
Well, multiples would be higher numbers. It wouldn't be lower
Yeah,
numbers.
that's what I was thinking. I saw like I was just like somewhere else.
You're thinking of what happens after you pull the 7 out. I think that's what you're doing. You're not focused, right? You got to focus on what's being pulled out.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's y squared plus 5 and y minus 7.
Huh.
And I think that, yeah, because you get 5y. Yeah, there you go. So the box really comes in handy there. So grouping, that's kind of what I mean by that. I mean, another way some people do is they put parentheses around the first and last terms, and they pull out stuff. But I think that what the box is fine. Okay. So I'm going to set this up for you. And I want you to tell me what to do.
All right.
All right. So I'm going to put 4u cubed, 3u squared, 20u, and 15. Okay, look at the first row. What can you take out of the first row?
Why?
First row.
Why?
Where are you getting Y from? I don't see any Y's. Number
You, I
6.
meant you.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, U squared.
Okay, good. Second row.
5.
Good. Much better. Okay. First column.
5. No, 4.
Second column.
3.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. See, not that bad, right? Pretty simple. Can we have 3 terms? What we should do is let's get it down to 4 terms, right? Not get it down, but let's. That's why the diamond helps.
Yeah.
So that's a 1. That's a 16. That's a -8. What 2 numbers multiply to 16, but add to -8?
4 and 4. -4 and 4.
Yeah, both -4s. Now, because the leading term had a coefficient of 1 to x squared, just had a 1 next to it,
Uh-huh.
you can actually just go straight to this.
Uh-huh.
And because they're identical, you can also consolidate it like this.
Yeah.
And that's that. Okay, next up. So now this case you do 3 and 20. Okay. What 2 numbers multiply to 60 and add to -17?
Um, well,
So sorry, repeat that. Negative,
negative.
ne -12 and -5. Okay.
Yeah. So I said.
Okay. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to write this down at home,
Yeah.
and I want you to give me the final answer because I know I can do it. I gotta make sure you can do it. So, but I'll tee it up for you.
Just yeah. If you just write that like what's inside for it, I
So
can.
3m squared, -12m,
Cause I don't be like
-5m,
I don't like putting squares.
and 20. Okay. Just do it. Tell me the final answer when you're done.
Okay. 3. But you can take -3 out of 3m.
Just work it out and just tell me the final answer when you're done.
Right. Bring in a pencil. Oh. 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 Bad. Okay.
زي النادي خليها لما احطهم في اللي بدي زيها كبلوان لازم شلون لازم تاكل شاطئ هي معي بس معيش الا واحده بدي اشتري زيها بكره
Oh. All right. So um,
هو جايب هي بس بعرف رصتي مع اكس يعني طبيعه مع اكس
I got the answer. I'm done.
Hey, what's your answer?
For the top one, but we feeling a little M. Um, for the one next to it on the right, I'm feeling a little 4.
Just give me your final answer. It's going to be, what are you going to put inside the parentheses here?
M 4 3 5
Oh, wait, I'm sorry, M what?
4 3 5.
No, well, there should be a plus or minus after the first M.
Up plus
Plus,
4
okay, and then what's the next one?
3 plus 5
Hold on. 3 what?
3M 5
Oh, I'm sorry, just repeat that.
3M plus 5.
Okay, so let's check your work, see if it makes sense. What's M times 3M?
It's M 3M squared.
Okay, what's M times positive 5?
5M
What's 4 times 3M?
12M
Oh, it's 4 times 5.
20. That's what we like.
No, you don't, because you want negative 17 and positive
Oh,
17. You see the mistake you made.
I got like no.
Those should be minuses.
Oh,
Okay, so let's understand why you made that mistake.
yeah,
Okay, because that's how you learn. It's how you get better at stuff.
yeah.
All right. So if you look at the first row, you take out 3M,
Mhm.
and then you have to put an M here because 3M times M is that. Then this has to be negative 4 to make that negative 12. This has to be negative 5 to make negative 5M. And there you go.
Yeah, right.
Easy peasy, right?
I got the right. I got the right numbers though, right letters.
Right, of course.
But yeah, kind of blundered in the negatives because I kind of looked and forgot about it.
Okay. Keep moving.
Let me use the bathroom real quick. It'll be like 10
Sure,
seconds.
take your time.
No.
Hold on a sec.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we were at 9 and 10, and I think after that we'll be done. Well, it's still more, I guess. So okay, we'll get through all of it. Okay, so 9, 10,
Mhm.
3 to 11 and 12. So again, let's go through the flow chart.
Yeah.
All right, so let me get this here. Okay. So yeah, that's what we got. So how many terms do I have? 2, 3, or 4?
Right.
Okay. Are there any common factors among 5, 12, and negative 9?
V.
Sorry, repeat that, please.
V.
Are you saying yes or no?
V. Yes.
V, there's no V's.
Oh, I meant my bad. And then no, I thought that was a V. I'm like actually blind.
That's an R, that's an R, and 9 doesn't have an R.
Yeah.
Okay, are the first and last terms perfect squares? They're not.
No.
Is the leading coefficient 1? No. So we got to do the diamond.
Yeah.
Negative 45 and 12.
Uh-huh.
Give me two numbers
Is
that
this
multiply negative 45 out to 9.
15 and 3? No.
Yeah, you got it. But one is a negative.
Yeah, one -3.
Okay, then we'll do the box. Okay, what can you take out of that first row?
You could take out. You could take out. Factories and you could take out 5.
Yeah,
Oh,
5R
yeah.
and -3 here.
Mhm.
And then what do you multiply the 5R to get the 5R squared?
Just 5. 1R. 1R.
What do you multiply 5R to get the 15R?
3.
Perfect. There you go.
Mhm.
That's it.
Yep.
It's a very streamlined process. Very clean. So perfect. Good. Okay. Let's clear that. Do it one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this one. So remember, we have 3 terms. And the first question is pull out any GCFs, which I can't because they don't share anything. Now, are the first and last terms perfect squares?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, they are. They are.
Oh, yeah. What adds up to them?
And so you could square root them. What's the square root of each one?
Square root of each.
2x.
2x and
9.
uh,
That's it.
yep.
Okay. Yeah, so you can do the same thing here, right? You can kind of notice 25 and 4. So 5xy and minus 2y. And there you go. Here, you notice you take out 3. And those are perfect squares.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
I don't think any of these will be prime. I think all these work just fine. But yeah, like that's m minus 3 to the second power. T minus 9 to the second power. See, once you kind of start seeing, oh yeah, those are perfect squares. See, it's just very clean. That's the difference of 2 squares. So p minus 4, p plus 4. And here 2h minus 5g,
Holy.
2h plus 5g. So yeah.
Hold on, I need to get my mom for a second. The dog's trying like doing something that's kind of ruining the house.
Okay, I mean we're almost done anyway.
Yeah, here it's fine. It should be a second. 1 second.
Okay.
ما جابش شيء هي السيارة كل شيء محطوط في الثلاجة كل الخضار والفواكه هي في الثلاجة ليش يعني لا إذا بالطيب أكلت مرة خذي لك شوية كذب مو عاملة بحث كذاب كل شيء واحد كذاب كيف الناس بدها تنام من جوعانين قول لي
Here, I'm back.
Okay, well I think we're good.
Yeah.
'Cause I do have another call coming up in a couple minutes.
Yeah,
So
sorry if I was not that much pay, not like best pay attention. I'm like allergic to color.
no, you're better today. No,
I ate some color, so like I'm kind of like hyper.
no. I think I think you get the idea. No, I think you're putting the piece of the puzzle together.
Yeah.
The good news is that we got a great we got all through all the problems. We got a
Yeah.
great video here.
Huh?
Let me stop my recording.